Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo u-Angie unxuse abazali kanye nabafundi abangakazitholi izikhala ukuba babanike isikhathi ukubhekana nalenkinga. U-Motshekga uvakashele e-Cosmo nalapho ubeyobheka usuku lokuqala lokuvulwa kwezikole.
We are saying to parents, must give us the 10 days which we normally have for mopping up to make sure that we can identify where the spots are. If you don't have a mobile admissions, we are not able to identify on time to say where are the possible vacancies, where are the outstanding numbers. This morning I was able to speak to the MEC confidently. He's able to tell me on an hourly basis we've placed 10, we've placed 5. Without your ICTs, you won't be able to do it because then you rely on your head count in places you don't know. So it's a very helpful system for a situation that we find ourselves in Gauteng.
Bangaphezu kwe-300 abafundi abangakazitholi izikhala zokufunda eGauteng. Owengamele ezemfundo eGauteng uMadumetshulane unike abazali isiqinisekiso sokuthi bonke abafundi bazobe sebezitholile izikhala ekupheleni kwalenyanga. Uthi ngale kwezingqinamba zezikhala ezikoleni kodwa sebewulungele lo nyaka.
Majority is an issue of placement. However, we were able to demonstrate to them that majority, more than 99% of school-going age children will be in class. So we are dealing with this important 1%, and we're working around the clock to ensure that we have them in class as soon as possible.
Omunye wabazali bengane beqala ugrade 1 esikoleni e-Cosmo primary uthi akazange abe nezinkinga zokubhalisa ingane yakhe ngohlelo lomnyango wezemfundo lokubhalisa online.
So for me it was very simple online. Logging in, it wasn't a struggle. But because my daughter was in a different school, different district for grade 1, it meant that I had to do a transfer. And initially with the transfer, they told me that they start just after or just in October. So when I did that, I came to the school and they took me through the process, and then I went to the Joburg district. Just in the middle, it was a bit of a back and forth because I don't think the process was clearly explained, but I then got the principal involved along with somebody who was working at the district. And the one thing that I'll say stood out is how the principal was involved in it.